Alright, so look at what's around the cell right now. Everything that's holding that all together. That we call the cell membrane. Alright? So if you notice, the cell membrane that's coating that entire nucleus, it's a very thin layer. It's just holding it all together, kind of like a water balloon. Right? Water, you pour it into a balloon, let it fill up to the top and tie it up. It's just the same. But don't get any ideas, okay? But it's just the same. It's squishy just like a nucleus in a cell. And this picture right here is what you'd call a cross section. It's a cut in half presentation of what this all looks like, so we can see inside. But that, once again, is the cell membrane, just so we're clear. Anyone notice that little spot in the middle? It's real important. What's the name of that? Nucleus, right? Right. Nucleus. Right in the middle. Perfect. If you notice, what's that right there? That weird spirally thingy. Does anyone know the name of it? It's a real big word. Anyone has any guesses? You? Chromosomes? Excellent. Real smart. That's right. It's a big biological word. Very impressed. Chromosomes. Bravo. Alright? Alright, let's move on. So if you notice, around this area, the nucleus, what is it surrounding the nucleus? Anyone remember? Cell membrane? Now if we focus on the nucleus, what's around it? I think it's membrane? Yeah? Right. Now, there's two words. We have membrane. And what's this other word? Nucleus? Nucleus, yeah? Almost. So, right here we have nucleus. That's what you said, right? Nucleus? The word's actually nuclear, just to be clear. Very close, though. Nuclear is fine. It's just like nucleus, but it's going to be a little different. Now, it's a nuclear membrane, is now what we're talking about. That's what's holding this all together. Now, the nucleus, it's not spread out, right? No, it's all together. It's closed in tight. It's coated into the cell. Now, the nuclear membrane is what's surrounding that nucleus. It's keeping all the chromosomes, okay? So let's zoom out for a second. Now look at all this that's actually around the nucleus. It's all inside the cell membrane, but what is it? Does anyone know? That's fine, no worries. The name is going to be cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is like a living fluid, if you will, that's around the nucleus. Remember that water I was talking about? Well, if you poured it out, all that water, that's what the cytoplasm is. The balloon that's holding it all together, that's the cell membrane. But the water inside, cytoplasm. Okay, are we clear? The cytoplasm is a lot like, it's like jelly almost. It's not necessarily like water. But that's what it is, the cytoplasm. What's that hot dog looking thing that you see right there? Does anyone here know? Well, there's a word for it. Someone... Ah, yes, you. I think it's mitochondrium? Right. Mitochondrium. Now, notice that last part of the word. Mitochondria just means one. But if it's two or if it's more, that's mitochondrium. Okay, are we clear?